God talks to you in a loving and reassuring manner today. The promise of restoration is close to everything you have desired. Everything that has seemed unachievable is now coming together as I orchestrate the ideal plan for your life, as stated in Psalm 121:7. The Lord is announcing that prepare yourself for amazing blessings that are about to unfold in your life. You have faced challenges with unwavering faith, and your perseverance has not gone unnoticed. Your dedication, enthusiasm, and patience are on the verge of bringing significant rewards. Hold fast to this promise, because I am your steadfast protector, watching over every move you make, guiding you along the best course for your life, giving you advice and keeping an eye on you. The Lord will protect you from any harm. Let my divine guidance illuminate your path and guide you toward the abundant life I have in store for you during this time of divine preparation. According to Psalm 32:8, give me your intentions and have complete faith in the statements made in Psalm 37:5-6. Put your trust in the Lord and commit yourself to Him. He will make your vindication glow like the noonday light, and your just reward shine like the dawn. Your perseverance in the face of hardship will pay off handsomely, bearing witness to my love and grace. Be brave, because your faith has opened the door for a new beginning and your prayers have been answered. Your waiting period is over. Your time for breakthroughs has come, and you can look forward to the blessings that are about to pour out with joy, knowing that I am bringing the right people, opportunities, and circumstances to bring my plans to fruition in your life. You are loved and treasured beyond measure, and I want you to know the fullness of life that comes from walking in faith and obedience. Every challenge you have faced has been a stepping stone to the magnificent purpose I have for you. The best is yet to come. The plenty you want is on its way. All you need to do is open your heart and be prepared to receive it, as demonstrated in this video. So rejoice in this divine promise. If you consider God to be a new month, every day is a priceless gift from the Creator that calls you to grow in your faith and observe His magnificent works. Dawns awaken your heart to the profound beauty of divine regeneration. My beloved child, the Lord was. As a new month commences, I would want to remind you of the beauty that comes with fresh starts. The very fabric of creation is woven with this rhythm of regeneration, calling us to let go of our previous troubles and follow the path He has laid out for us. As you get closer to Him this month, know that He not only watches over you, but also leads you with a divine hand, nourishing your spirit in ways that are beneficial to you. Every day, a sacred hymn dispels the shadows of the past and invites us into His light with hearts cleansed by grace. Beyond human comprehension, allow God's words into Corinthians 9:8 to speak to your spirit, and you will be abundantly blessed, so that you will always have everything you need and flourish in all your good deeds. These are not just promises, but an eternal truth. God's grace is limitless. Accept this new chapter as a sacred invitation to enter the depth of His gifts. He prepares you for every endeavor and fills your life with His abundance, so that you may fulfill the holy mission He has designed for you. Joy is not merely an emotion, but a profound expression of trust and gratitude. When you embrace laughter, play, and gratitude, you align yourself with the rhythm of heaven, where joy is as endless and blessings flow. Set your heart on things above, for it is in the joy of the Lord that you will find strength and divine alignment, opening yourself to receive His boundless gifts. In this surrender, you allow His will to manifest, attracting blessings and abundance. As signs of His love, the trials you have faced are part of the holy preparation He has ordained for you. They refine your spirit, sharpen your faith, and instill within you the resilience needed for the journey ahead. Every challenge, every test is a stepping stone, forming the foundation of wisdom and strength upon which you will build a life blessed by His grace. As the word assures, as within so without, this holy transformation begins from the depths of your soul. And as you nurture that inner work, heaven's doors open wide in response. Though may held lessons and challenges, June marks the beginning of the fruition of the promises, blessings, and miracles that the Lord has ordained. Believe in these divine appointments and watch them unfold as testaments of His unwavering love. What are you lifting in prayer? Speak it in faith and know that the Lord hears you and that His answer is ready to come forth in His perfect timing, because during this season He is guiding you toward healing, wholeness, and purpose, shaping you into a beacon of His glory and love. Therefore, let the heavens know that you are prepared by using type 1111, a humble declaration that you stand open to His will. This month, you enter a realm of holy transformation, 10 limitless possibilities, because His blessings are not limited by time or place. Glory be to the Lord for His kindness and love, which remain forever, and provide you prosperity in His name. Have you ever questioned why you haven't been able to show up, dear child? It's easy. If you're a spiritual person hoping to make a difference in your inner circle, you need something distinctive. Southwest listens carefully to this message. In less than 7 days after hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to draw money and abundance into your life. This biblical 1-minute prayer brings prosperity and richness into your life. Would you like it? To learn the wealth secrets of using heavenly prayer to draw richness and prosperity into your life, my dear child, click the link below. I invite you to lay your burdens at my feet, because I am your strength and refuge, a constant source of support during difficult times. I want to grant you the peace that surpasses all comprehension in your fatigue. I am fully aware of the difficulties you have faced, the nights you have spent worrying, and the burdens that weigh heavily upon your heart. Rest assured that I will give you rest in my loving. Remember that you are about to experience a powerful breakthrough, so embrace me and let me revitalize your spirit. Celebrate, because you will prevail, and I will be with you. As He led the Israelites through the wilderness, the Lord is guiding you toward the promises He has for you. He will put you in touch with the right people at the right time and give you the tools you need to enter the rooms He has prepared for you. The opportunities that lie ahead are not random events, but divine encounters orchestrated by my hands. So surrender your plans to me, walk in obedience, and remain steadfast in your faith even when the path seems unclear. Above all else, I will ensure that your steps are safe at this time. Prepare your heart for the miraculous and expect to see what you have yearned for materialize, just as the sun rises after the darkest night. Take a break. Forth blessings will rain down upon you as you align your thoughts and actions with my truth. Take hold of the promise from Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope and the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. You are called to soar, to rise above your circumstances and embrace the fullness of life that I have for you. Today I urge you to prepare for the outpouring of my blessings. Count your blessings in advance, for I am moving on your behalf even now. Type 333 if you are ready to step into this divine season of abundance and grace. Remember, my child, that I am with you always, leading you to a future filled with hope and promise. My cherished one, know this: I see you, I hear your cries, and understand the depth of your anguish. Although you may not perceive my presence, I am ever near, closer than you can imagine. Your terrors are precious to me. I have collected each one, for they are like prayers that reach my throne. Take courage, my child, for though the pain may linger, I am with you through every trial. I will never abandon you or forsake you. As it is written, the Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Take comfort, for you are beautiful in my eyes, and love beyond measure. Let no darkness deceive you, for you are a light in my kingdom. My promises are steadfast, and I am faithful to bring them to fulfillment. Healing and peace that surpasses understanding are on their way to you, along with freedom from every chain that binds. I am your Redeemer, restoring what has been lost and providing recompense for every sorrow you have endured. Prepare, for I am about to reveal my glory in your life, and I will uphold every word I have spoken over you. Promotion, favor, and blessings beyond measure are coming. New doors are opening, and every hindrance will give way to my plans. Allow hope to flood your heart, because I am a God who keeps his word. You are firmly rooted on a rock that cannot be shaken. You are safe under my protection, and nothing can move you, because I hold you in the palm of my hand. Today, expect blessings, because I enjoy showing my love to those who trust in me. Before the day is over, you will see my goodness unfold, a sign of